This is a simple hack to make an instant yogurt at home in just 2 minutes from fresh milk. You need a fresh milk and lemon or lime. Watch this video to the end to understand what to do. Finally, you have a light yogurt with the same taste as the normal yogurt. You cannot differentiate the taste of this express yogurt to the normal yogurt. The only difference is this is lighter yogurt but thicker than fresh milk. Thanks you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting recipes.